Hello, everyone, and welcome to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy, and this is going to be a small Dollar Tree haul for Christmas items. I was kind of worried because when I first walked in, I saw blank, just empty shelves, but I did find some things. And then as I was checking out, the lady told me they were getting more, putting out more that night. So they had this. It's a very large, nice sign. It says "Let it snow, snowman," and this is another one of those, just kind of like a yard stake. They had some fall, a little bit of fall, and they had some Halloween. And I just got this. I'm not about football, but for the shape of the sign. And then this is just another, just to have a sign. I like that truck. And then they had these blank ornament signs and some Christmas tree, just blank signs. And then I thought this was adorable. It's well made. It's a house, um, obviously, duh, Amy. And then these snowflakes. I thought those were nice. So I don't know what they ended up putting out that night. I haven't been back. And that has a raised up word on it. The wonderful is raised up. And this bag, I thought this bag was just adorable. And then basically, you get two. And then I love this bag. Now the front of it, that tree is um, separate. Well, it's a separate piece, so they always make the fronts of them a little bit more embellished. And then here's just another sign. I was low on signs. And then the ornament. I'm not into the gnomes, but I'll make something different with it. And then these little gingerbread men. They're felt, I believe. And then these were nice little signs, like snow globes, really thick. I got two of those. They're thick. And then I got, excuse me, one of the little mini white Christmas trees. I probably should have gotten more of those, but. And then these little houses. I thought they were so cute. Of course, they're the tinsel. I got, I think, three of those. Yeah, I'm holding my fingers up. And then they also had a little truck with a tree in the back. I'll be excited to see what they've got, what they put out that night. Because, like I said, I was kind of scared. The aisles looked empty, and I'm like, oh my gosh. But then I turned the corner and I thought those were really cute little berries. They're frosted over, or little picks, or whatever they are. Berry picks. And that's just a little ribbon that says Merry Christmas. And I've never seen these there. This is like a roll of garland. And finally, I've been looking for these for years, and they finally got the little, what I call or use for pumpkin stems. So I'm going to start making stuff and be watching out for my next video. And if you all will hit that subscribe, like, share, I'd appreciate it. And I will see you all in the video. Thank you.